Timmy and Alexa hike through the verdant woods, their playful banter echoing through the trees. Amidst the fallen leaves, a glowing amulet pulses with soft light.
Hey creators! Imagine creating a full 30-minute video with just one prompt, no endless scripting or editing. That's the power of Magic Light, an AI tool that's transforming content creation. In this video, you'll see how it works and why it's a must-have for YouTubers, vloggers, and educators. Magic Light takes your idea and turns it into a complete video, with scripts, visuals, and even polished edits. Whether you're making tutorials or storytelling content, it saves hours while keeping your videos professional. And the best part? It's so easy, even beginners can use it. In this video, you'll get a front row seat to how it all comes together. Let's dive in. First, go to the search bar and search for Magic Light. Click on First Website. Now sign into this. After sign in, you will get an interface like this. Here, you'll find stories already made by Magic Light users. To create a video, you need to click on AI Video. Now create your desired animated story. For that, you have to enter the script in this box, or you can generate ideas with Magic Light. I generate a story from ChatGPT. Just copy the script and paste into it. I select Smart Script. It will automatically divide the script into separate scenes without requiring any additional prompts. Now select the ratio according to your video. Select video duration and video language. This feature is supported in a wide variety of languages. I select English. After that, select your style. I select Disney. Now click on Next. It's take a few seconds in analyzing the story. Now you can see this feature automatically divided the story in separate scenes of every part of the story. Now click on Next. In this section, we will create characters to the story. Click on First Character Timmy. Before generating a character, you will have the option to select their voice. Here, you can see the various voice options available for different characters. First, you can listen to some of the voices to preview them.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of
Life was like a box of chocolate.
Life was like a box of
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of chocolate.
Life was
Once
like
you find a voice that you like, you can select it. The next step is to input the character's age. On this screen, you'll find a variety of child characters provided for your preference. But I will create my own character. Just click on Create. Now, enter the prompt in the designated box. A pre-written prompt is available on my Telegram channel for your convenience. You can find the channel link in the video description to access all prompts easily. Copy the prompt and paste it into this box to continue. Now click on Create. In just a few moments, your character will be prepared. Now click on Confirm. Now generate female Alexa character. The process will remain the same as we followed earlier when creating Timmy's character.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
You can see here, both prompts are the same. I only changed the character's name and gender. Just copy the second prompt and paste into it. After that, click on Create. In just a few seconds, you will get the second character. Now click on Confirm. Both of our characters have now been created. Just click on Next Step to proceed. In this step, Magic Light will automatically generate images for each scene of the story. Now you can see the results. It has created excellent images for each scene with consistency in characters. Now we need to animate these images to create a video. Just click on Next. Now click on Animate All. Click on Next. Now select the model to continue. I select Runway. Just click on Confirm. It will automatically complete the task for you. It will take a few minutes in video creation. As you can see, all images have now been converted into videos. Next, we will generate captions for the video. You may select any style that best suits your preference. After that, select the video ratio and click on OK. Before downloading, just preview the video by playing it once.
Timmy and Alexa hike through the dense forest, sunlight dappling around them as they share laughter. A sudden stumble reveals an unexpected wonder, a glowing amulet hidden beneath the forest floor. Timmy pulls out the glowing amulet. Drawn by the amulet, Timmy and Alexa approach a hidden cave veiled behind a waterfall. Inside, they cautiously navigate the shadows of the treacherous path, their laughter echoing off the cavern walls. Alexa spots a pressure plate and disarms it, averting further danger. Timmy and Alexa step into a grand chamber, filled with the allure of golden treasure and ancient mysteries. Alexa studies an ancient riddle, her focus sharpening as she deciphers the secrets hidden within the stone tablet.
The result looks excellent. You're now ready to download it. Just click on Download. Now you can easily create 30-second videos with Magic Light in multiple languages and styles. The best part? The content you generate is fully monetizable. With Magic Light, you can produce high-quality videos and earn substantial revenue. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, please do let me know in the comments, in what style would you like to make your next video using Magic Light? I'll read all your comments and reply to each one. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly AI tool tutorials. See you in the next one.